Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: linked list class with listIterator methods, and this concept is related to listIterator cursor in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collection framework in Java. So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with Java collection of objects, and this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in this package we have different classes, interfaces and its methods, using which we can work with Java collection of objects. So in collections framework, here we have collection interface, which is a top level base interface for different collection related classes and interfaces. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. Third one, queue collection. So these three are sub interfaces for collection interface. And fourth one, map interface. It is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of java.util package and Java collections framework. So coming to Java collections, it is only for objects but not primitive data type values. So if we store primitive data type values like integer, character, boolean, floating, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. So hence Java collections, everything is stored as object itself. To be more precise, it is stored as object class object format, where object class is a super class for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of linked list class with listIterator methods. So first of all, linked list class, it is available in java.util package, and this class is inherited from Deque interface, which is inherited from queue interface, which is inherited from collection interface, which in turn is inherited from iterable interface, and it is also inherited from list interface, which in turn is inherited from collection interface, which in turn is inherited from iterable interface. And this class, it is also clonable as well as serializable. Both are inherited interfaces and they are marker interfaces. They doesn't have any data members or abstract methods. They provide special functionality for our class. So clonable means we can perform clone method and create a duplicate linked list. Serializable means our linked list class object can participate in serialization and deserialization process. So if you see the description of the linked list class, go to the command prompt and issue the command java p java.util.linked-list. So linked list class is inherited from list interface as well as Deque interface. It is clonable as well as serializable. Right. Now coming to some technical points about the linked list class. So it is a collection of objects as one-dimensional array. Its initial capacity is 10 and it provides indexes to the collection of objects, and these indexes will range from 0 to size -1. And it is capable of accepting duplicate objects, and it preserves order of objects, that is the same order in which objects are added into the linked list collection. And next, using this class we can not only perform linked list operations, but also stack operations, queue operations, deque operations using its methods. And internally, it maintains linked list data structure to store collection of objects. So coming to the constructors and methods to work with listIterator. So in the description of the linked list class, we are going to use this default constructor with the initial capacity of 10. And then using add methods, we are going to add objects into the linked list linearly, one after the another. And then we are going to use listIterator of int, whose return type is listIterator cursor, using which we can access objects of linked list collection linearly from first to last and also last to first, both at a time using its methods. It is a bi-directional cursor. And we also have one more method which is inherited from the list interface, which is listIterator without any parameter, whose return type is listIterator cursor. So this will start from the beginning, and this will start from the int. Int indicates given index 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. And next, coming to the listIterator cursor. So listIterator cursor, it is inherited from iterator cursor. So it is a sub iterator. It has both the methods, base class methods as well as its own methods, like hasNext checks for the existence of next element, next accessing the next element, and remove method, removing a particular element where listIterator cursor is pointing to. So these three methods are inherited from iterator cursor. And then similarly, hasPrevious checks for the existence of previous element, previous method accesses the previous object, and then we have next index, previous index, getting the index position of next element and previous element where the cursor is pointing to. And then we have set. Set means it will replace where the cursor is pointing to a particular element. Add, it will add an element where the cursor is pointing to, and it will add in the next index. So these are some methods which are available for our listIterator cursor. And this listIterator cursor is a bidirectional cursor available in java.util package. So at a time we can access the elements first to last and last to first. So this cursor, it is inherited from iterator interface, and this is also a cursor. This is unidirectional cursor, only first to last or last to first, but not both at a time. But this is both at a time bidirectional cursor, listIterator and its methods. Right. So now let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Linked list class example 6.java. So go to the new page. So first write the comments. Program to demo linked list class with listIterator methods. Import java.util package. Take the main class with main method. So initially we are creating an object of linked list class. LL is equals to new linked list, and then we are adding the elements 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Print linked list and its size. So we'll execute till here. Right. So save the program, come to the command prompt, and then compile the program. Linked list class example 6.java. Right, no error, and then run it. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and the size is 5. Now let us apply list iterator from the beginning. So on linked list object, we are applying list iterator method whose return type is list iterator cursor. It will start from the beginning. Its reference is li. Okay, so I'll write here starts from beginning. Right, now check li.hasNext, check for the existence of next element in the linked list. If it is available, true. Come inside li.next, access that element. So we are storing integers, convert that into integer, store that in x and print x. So first to last. And optionally we can also apply other methods. So if x is equals to 22, li.remove. So 22 element will be removed. If x is equals to 33, li.set 36. So 33 will be replaced by 36. Set means replace. Else if x is equals to 44, then add 46. So after 44 in the next index, 46 is added and other elements will move aside. So first to last and then print linked list. So we'll execute till here, save this, recompile and run. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 printed as it is, and optionally 11, after that 22 is deleted, it is removed. So 33 is replaced by 36, 44 is there as it is. After 44 in the next index we got 46. Now let us try to access these elements last to first using hasPrevious. So while li.hasPrevious, now the cursor is at the last, so last to first. Access that element li.previous, convert that into integer, store that in x and print x. So save this, recompile and run. So 55, 44, 46, 44, 36, 11. So accessing last to first using hasPrevious and previous methods. Right. So now we can also apply listIterator cursor at a particular index position. Okay, right. So for example, I want to apply this at a particular index position 2. So it will start from 2, 3, 4. So let us check it out for this. Okay, so here we will comment remove set add methods. Okay, right, so save it. So recompile and run. So it will start from second index 0, 1, 2. So 33, 44, 55 and printing all the elements. After that hasPrevious 54, 44, 33, 22, 11, last to first. But when we say listIterator of 2, it will start from second index. So this is how we are supposed to work with linked list class with listIterator methods, which is related to listIterator cursor, which is a bi-directional cursor, first to last and last to first, both at a time in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.